Feeling stuck in your financial journey? You're not alone. Today we'll explore transformative ideas from a best-selling book that have empowered thousands to achieve their goals. Welcome to a life-changing exploration of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, a book that has transformed the lives of millions around the world. Written during the Great Depression, Hill's masterpiece goes beyond just wealth creation. It teaches a philosophy for achieving success in every area of life. In this video, we'll dive deep into the principles that have stood the test of time, offering real-life examples and actionable steps that you can apply today to unlock your full potential. Imagine tapping into the same mindset that propelled some of history's greatest achievers, people like Thomas Edison, Henry Ford, and Andrew Carnegie, towards massive success. Think and Grow Rich isn't just about getting rich in money. It's about developing a mindset that attracts success in any form, be it personal, professional, or financial. We're going to break down the 13 powerful principles laid out by Hill, from desire and faith to the mastermind concept and the power of your subconscious mind. This guide will provide you with the tools to think bigger, act decisively, and turn your dreams into reality. So, whether you're aiming for financial freedom, career growth, or personal development, Think and Grow Rich holds the blueprint to take you there. Stay tuned as we uncover the timeless wisdom that could transform your future. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest strategies for personal growth, financial success, and unlocking your full potential. Also, if you're excited to learn more, give this video a thumbs up. Let's grow together. The first principle in Think and Grow Rich is desire. According to Napoleon Hill, every significant achievement begins with a burning desire for something specific. But this isn't just about daydreaming or hoping for success. You need to truly want it with all your heart and soul. Hill emphasizes that vague desires lead to vague results, while clear, focused desires produce tangible success. The most critical element of this principle is specificity. You can't just say, "I want to be successful." Instead, you must be extremely clear about what you want to achieve. How much money do you want to earn? What exact position do you want in your career? The more specific your desire, the more fuel it provides to your ambition. Imagine someone who wants to start a successful online business. If they only vaguely desire success, they might try out a few things here and there, but never really commit to anything. However, if they have a burning desire to create an e-commerce business that generates $100,000 in annual revenue, that ambition will drive them to take specific actions, like learning the ins and outs of e-commerce, studying successful entrepreneurs, and developing a clear, actionable plan. Write down exactly what you desire. Be as specific as possible. What do you truly want to achieve? Whether it's a financial goal, career milestone, or personal ambition, make sure it's something that sets your heart on fire. The clearer your desire, the stronger your motivation will be. The second principle is faith. Once you have a burning desire, the next step is to have absolute faith that you can achieve it. Faith is crucial because it fuels action, keeps you motivated through challenges, and ensures that you won't give up. Hill believes that the subconscious mind acts on what we believe, so when you develop faith in your goal, you essentially condition your mind for success. Faith isn't just about hoping things will work out. It's about knowing deep down that success is possible for you. This belief helps you stay resilient and positive, even in the face of setbacks. Think about an athlete training for the Olympics. They don't train with uncertainty. They train with the unwavering belief that they will compete and win. This faith is what pushes them through rigorous practice sessions, injuries, and sacrifices. Develop faith in your goals by practicing positive affirmations daily. Say to yourself, "I am capable of achieving this goal," and visualize yourself reaching your desired outcome. The stronger your belief in your success, the more likely you are to achieve it. Autosuggestion is the third principle, and it's all about the power of self-talk. According to Hill, what you repeatedly tell yourself, especially with emotion, becomes ingrained in your subconscious mind and influences your actions. If you constantly reinforce positive beliefs, your subconscious will help you take the necessary actions to reach your goals. Hill emphasizes that your self-talk must be intentional and emotionally charged. It's not enough to say something passively. You need to believe it deeply and say it with conviction. Let's say you're starting a new job in sales, but you lack experience. If you constantly tell yourself, "I'm not cut out for this," your subconscious will reinforce that belief and you may struggle. However, if you affirm daily, "I am becoming a successful salesperson," your subconscious mind will start working toward making that belief a reality. Develop a routine of repeating positive affirmations every day. Focus on statements that align with your goals, and say them with confidence and emotion. This practice will program your subconscious mind to support your success. The fourth principle is specialized knowledge. While general knowledge can be useful, Hill argues that true success comes from mastering the specific knowledge needed to achieve your goals. This could mean technical skills, industry expertise, or a deep understanding of your craft. Having specialized knowledge gives you a competitive edge. It allows you to provide unique value, solve specific problems, and operate with confidence in your chosen field. If you want to become a successful real estate investor, general knowledge about economics won't cut it. You'll need specialized knowledge about property markets, financing strategies, negotiations, and local real estate laws. Identify the specific knowledge or skills you need to achieve your goal. This may involve taking courses, reading industry books, or seeking out a mentor. Focus on acquiring the expertise that will directly contribute to your success. The fifth principle, imagination, is where all great ideas begin. According to Hill, imagination is the workshop where plans are created, and the ability to visualize your success is key to making it a reality. There are two types of imagination: synthetic imagination, rearranging old ideas, and creative imagination, coming up with new ideas. Both are essential for innovation and success. Take a tech startup founder, for example. They might visualize a product that solves a problem in a way no one else has thought of. This clear mental picture helps them not only conceptualize the product, but also navigate the steps to bring it to market. Spend time each day visualizing your success. Imagine the process of achieving your goal. Feel the emotions that come with it. And think about the necessary steps to get there. This mental practice will make your goals feel more attainable and real. Once you have a clear desire and the imagination to fuel it, the next step is organized planning. Hill stresses that a solid, actionable plan is essential for success. Wishing for success is not enough. You need a detailed roadmap to get there. Imagine someone planning a major event like a wedding. Without a clear plan, things can quickly fall apart. However, with an organized plan, including deadlines, budgets, and assigned responsibilities, the event runs smoothly. Write down a step-by-step plan to achieve your goal. Break it down into manageable tasks and set specific deadlines for each milestone. Organized planning helps ensure that your ambitions turn into reality. The seventh principle is decision. Successful people are decisive. They make decisions quickly and stick to them. Hill argues that indecision is one of the primary causes of failure. Once you've committed to a goal and made a plan, you need to make firm decisions and follow through on them. Picture an investor who sees a lucrative opportunity, but hesitates because of fear or doubt. By the time they make a decision, the opportunity has passed. In contrast, those who take decisive action on sound decisions are often the ones who succeed. Make a firm decision about your goal and commit to it. Follow through with your plan and make adjustments as needed, but avoid falling into indecision or procrastination. The eighth principle, persistence, is critical to success. Hill claims that persistence is the single most important factor in determining whether someone achieves their goals. Many people give up at the first sign of difficulty, but those who push through obstacles are the ones who eventually succeed. The ability to keep going despite setbacks is what separates the successful from those who fail. Persistence is about maintaining consistent action toward your goals even when it's hard. It's about continuing to work, learn, and grow despite challenges or temporary failure. Think of Thomas Edison, who famously failed thousands of times before successfully inventing the light bulb. His persistence in the face of repeated failures is a perfect example of this principle. Instead of giving up, he saw each failure as a step closer to success. When you face setbacks, remind yourself of your burning desire and why you started in the first place. Keep taking steps toward your goal, no matter how small. Persistence often leads to breakthroughs, so don't quit when things get tough. Hill's ninth principle is the mastermind. He believes that success is not achieved alone. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your goals and vision is essential for your growth. A strong network of supportive people can help you brainstorm ideas, offer advice, and keep you motivated. The mastermind is essentially a group of people who can help you leverage their knowledge and energy to amplify your own success. Their support and collective knowledge help you achieve far more than you could on your own. Many successful companies, like Apple, started with a small group of people with complementary skills. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak built Apple through a shared vision and collaboration. Their combined efforts made the company what it is today. Create or join a mastermind group. This could be a group of peers, mentors, or professionals in your field who can offer advice, support, and accountability as you work toward your goals. The 10th principle is sex transmutation, which is about redirecting the energy associated with sexual desire into creative and productive outlets. Hill argues that this energy is one of the most powerful forces a person has, and when channeled properly, it can drive immense focus, creativity, and ambition. Sexual energy, when transmuted, fuels success by turning raw desire into constructive energy that powers achievement and innovation. Many great artists, entrepreneurs, and leaders have been known to channel their passionate energy into their work. For example, famous figures like Leonardo da Vinci and Nikola Tesla are said to have transmuted their energy into creativity and innovation. Focus your passion and energy on achieving your goals. Channel this powerful force into your work, using it to fuel your creativity and productivity, rather than letting it distract you from your objectives. The 11th principle is the subconscious mind. Hill believes that the subconscious mind is always at work, processing your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. It doesn't distinguish between positive or negative thoughts, so it's crucial to fill your mind with positive, goal-oriented ideas. By feeding your subconscious with empowering thoughts, you create the conditions for success. The mind will work behind the scenes, aligning your actions and decisions with your goals. Athletes often use visualization techniques to mentally rehearse winning before a big competition. This practice programs their subconscious minds for success, helping them perform at their best when it matters most. Fill your subconscious with positive, constructive thoughts. Use affirmations, visualization, and surround yourself with uplifting influences that reinforce your mindset for success. The more positive input you give your subconscious, the more it will support your goals. Hill describes the brain as a broadcasting and receiving station for thoughts. Just as we can transmit ideas through our conscious thinking, we can also receive inspiration and knowledge from others and the world around us. According to Hill, the brain acts as a sort of antenna that picks up vibrations, whether through direct interactions with people or through unseen forces. Your brain's ability to process thoughts, both sent and received, enables you to tap into collective wisdom, new ideas, and creative solutions. Many inventors and creative thinkers like Thomas Edison have described moments of sudden inspiration that felt like they were received from somewhere outside themselves. These ideas often come after deep focus or intense mental activity. Keep your mind open to inspiration and new ideas. Stay receptive to the thoughts and creativity of others, and don't be afraid to explore new perspectives or approaches. Sometimes the solutions to your problems will come from unexpected places. The final principle in Think and Grow Rich is the sixth sense, which refers to intuition. As you develop the previous principles, your intuitive sense becomes sharper, guiding you to make the right decisions and take the right actions at the right time. Hill describes this as the ability to sense opportunities or danger, even without conscious reasoning. Your intuition is the culmination of experience, knowledge, and emotional awareness, guiding you toward the best course of action when faced with uncertainty. Successful entrepreneurs often talk about making critical decisions based on a gut feeling. This intuitive sense usually comes after years of experience and deep understanding of their industry, helping them navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Trust your instincts. The more you practice the principles in Think and Grow Rich, the more you will sharpen your sixth sense. Your intuition will help you make decisions that align with your goals, even when you don't have all the information. Thank you for sticking with us through this deep dive into the timeless principles of Think and Grow Rich. These 13 steps have transformed the lives of millions, and they can transform yours too. But remember, knowledge is only powerful when it's put into action. So start applying these principles today, and watch how they lead you to success. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on personal growth, wealth building, and success strategies, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We're all about helping you achieve your goals, and we've got a lot more to share. Also, let us know in the comments which principle resonated with you the most and what you're going to do next to grow your wealth and success. Thanks for watching, and let's continue growing together.